Hello everybody. Today I am going to give you the demonstration of a Montessori apparatus which is from the sensorial section, and these are the cylinder blocks. Now these cylinder blocks are always made of wood and they are not painted, and they contain cylinders in these sockets. Cylinders of varying size are in these sockets. Now these cylinders have the knobs, and these knobs are always equivalent to the measurement of a writing material, so that when the child learns to use these cylinder blocks or take out these cylinder blocks from the sockets, he is able to develop his tripod grip. This is the grip which is necessary to hold any writing material in his life. Means in the beginning the child may be holding a chalk or a crayon, later on lead pencil, and then pens. So these measurements are always equivalent to the writing material. Now in this demonstration we tell the child how to bring these blocks from the place where it is kept on the sensorial rack to the place of demonstration. Now this demonstration will always be on the working mat. So they are supposed to get this to the place of demonstration by holding it like this, or by like this, by like this, or by like this. And these are quite heavy, so it helps the child to develop his strong motor muscles also. Now here we assume that the child may be sitting across me, or the child can sit next to me on my left hand side. So in case the child is sitting next to me, then I'll take out the knobs and keep it in front of the child randomly. And we have to be very careful in telling the child that he has to hold it with proper grip, take it out properly, and then keep it. If the child is sitting across me, then I'll keep these knobs in front of the child like this. Now you already know the sensitivities, the sensitivity to order. Because of this sensitivity, the child gets inclined to pick up these knobs and put it back to its place, because they always like to keep things back into the proper place. This is a very important thing, with the child gets an instinct to put it back into. And when he is doing this activity, he is developing attention span, concentration, tripod grip, and his feeling that he has arranged things back into its place. That is his sensitivity to order. So this gradually gives him a feeling or a development of a skill to arrange his things in a proper way, to keep his belongings in a proper place, to pick up the toys and put it back. So this block is always given to the children as they enter a pre-primary school or a Montessori, where these apparatus are given in the beginning of the session. Now these blocks, the main purpose of these blocks I have already told you, but these blocks always come in a set of 4. Now I have got 2 sets of blocks over here. Now I will tell you what is the difference between the 2 blocks. Here you see, I will take out this block. This is a broad one, or you can see a thick one, and this is very, very thin. So the concept which you are going to teach with the help of this is thick and thin. The height remains the same. You see, all the knobs are of the same height. So this is known as block B, and we always give the demonstration with the help of block B. So this is block B. Now I put the cylinders back and give you the detail of the next cylinder block. So this is block B, in which the height remains the same, whereas the diameter goes on reducing. Now there is a measurement over here. This is reduces from 5.5 to 1 centimeter, and the difference between each centimeter is of 0.5 centimeters only. Now we come to the next block. Here this is block, and here you see, you will be able to identify what is the difference between the cylinders. Can you tell me? In this block, you see the diameter of all these grooves are the same, these sockets. So this is known as block A, in which the diameter of all the cylinders remain the same, but the height goes on reducing in one direction. I can say it goes on increasing in the other direction. So here it is minimum height and the diameter is the same. Here it is maximum height and the diameter remains the same. The diameter is 2.5 centimeters and the height is 5.5 centimeters. Again, here we teach the child the same thing to put the socket into the right. Now if he is putting it over here, he sees this is not fitting properly. So he will try to find out the right socket, and this is the way. So in this block, the child is again getting the knowledge of how the height makes it a challenge for him to do this activity. So this is known as block A, in which the diameter is the same. Now there are two more blocks which are known as C and C1. Now in block C, I don't have the block C over here, but there the dimensional difference is the first block over there will have minimum height and minimum diameter, where the last block will be having maximum height and maximum diameter. So the first block over there will be the thick one, maximum height, maximum diameter, and the smallest one will be minimum height and minimum diameter. So it will be something of this type, but the height will be minimum. And in C1 block, the dimensions are moving in the opposite direction. Means the one which has the maximum diameter has the minimum height, and the last cylinder will have maximum height with minimum diameter. So this is all about the cylinder blocks. And to know about block C, C1, I'll post you some pictures where that concept will also become clear. So now I would like to discuss with you the benefits of cylinder blocks. So cylinder blocks help to develop their visual ability, they develop the tripod grip, attention span concentration, and it helps to develop the sensitivity to order, and the child settles very quickly in the unknown atmosphere when he enters a pre-primary school. So these are known as the cylinder blocks, and they are always made of wood, but they are not painted. Now here also you are going to teach one important concept, that is tall and short. With the C block you are going to teach them big and small, and with the C1 block it will be you are going to teach them again tall and short only, or flat and height. So this is all about the cylinder blocks. Thank you for now. Okay.